Another roadside explosion in Iraq. When the Marine Corps needed to upgrade protection on its vehicles, armor was scarce. They wanted to fix in place within a few weeks. Researchers at the Dahlgren, Virginia Naval Surface Warfare Center stepped in and worked 7 days a week to find a solution.
Stand by. Fire.
A 20-millimeter powder gun sends a slug through a plate of steel, part of the testing procedure of new materials at Dahlgren. Its flight captured by computer imaging and slowed down for inspection to see how different types of fragments travel after striking the material under study. The projectile's velocity is measured by lasers, tripped this time by the slug passing at 2,370 feet per second. Researchers used a variety of test fragments as well as small arms fire to test various combinations of materials. The armor had to give a little so it wouldn't peel off after a few hits and not be too heavy. They came up with a spray-on composite that can be applied on vehicle doors in layers in the field. The Marines have nicknamed it Dragon Shield. Navy video shows a final test of doors treated with Dragon Shield. The shell detonated only a few feet from the vehicles. Specialty Products, Inc. of Washington State provided the raw materials for the experiments, tweaking the chemical composition until testing showed it was ready for use in Iraq. Dragon Shield was originally a stopgap measure until more armor could be found, but Gamach says it's still being widely used to protect vehicles in Iraq.